Hey everybody, this video is going to be a very basic tutorial on how to cover a networking tool known as Netcat. There will be a link down below in the description for those of you wanting to download this tool. But essentially what it is it's a simple networking tool that allows you to read and write data across a network. This is really good for forensics analysts who are looking at doing live analysis. So after going and locating on your computer where you've downloaded Netcat, you can just go ahead and type in the command ncat-l-k-v-p. What this basically means is Netcat is now going to be listening verbosely on a port that we specify. You can use whatever port you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and use port 2222. As you can see right here, it says that Netcat is now listening. So I'm going to switch Windows over here to an Ubuntu VM that I have up and running. And I'm going to be sending information back to my host machine from this virtual machine. I'm just going to go ahead and send over today's date. And I'm going to use a pipe. And then I will type in the command ncat, the IP address of my host machine, which in this case is 192.168.0 and 103. And then the port number, which I said was 2222. As you can see, nothing happened here. But if we go back over to my command prompt, it has successfully put today's date, Sunday, March 3rd. There's the time. It's about 10 o'clock p.m. for those of you not familiar with military in the year 2013. So now let's say, for example, that we want to send the output of this to a file, a text file that we and not just have it display in the command prompt. We can do that. I'm just going to do the same command, but I'm going to add on to the end the greater than sign and then the destination. I'll put it in a folder that I've created called examples, and then I will make a file called test.txt. I'll just make a basic text file. So I'm going to hit enter. It's listening again. I'm going to go back over to my Ubuntu VM, and I will go ahead and send over today's date. Just one more time. I'll send in the exact same command. This time, if I go over, here we are. We have the test file, and it has today's date. As you can see, it's almost 10, Sunday, March 3rd, 2013. And just so you guys can kind of see that it's working, I'll send over one more command. And I'm just going to clear out of that. I'm going to send the last command. And same IP address, same port. Go ahead and hit enter. This time, when I open up the file, as you can see, it'll just show that I was the person who logged in last. As you can see, it's kind of hard to read. It doesn't have the best formatting in the world. So you may want to just run the netcat command again and send it to a different file if you're looking for ease of readability. This tool is really useful if you're doing live analysis of a computer that you suspect that there's a problem with and you want to do some analysis on it, so that you don't mess with any of the whatever information is in the RAM, just the volatile memory. You can use the Netcat in order to establish a connection back to your host machine, a machine that you trust, and it'll give a very minimal impact on all of the RAM and the other volatile memory that you have going around. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful for all of you, and you can use it to kind of get yourself started in the field of digital forensics. Have a great night.